Hello Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the unbelievable changes occur in the Vechain, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, you can't believe these changes of the Vechain, my friends. But keep watching this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for a video's notification, my friends. Anyways, my friends, the unbelievable changes occur in the Vechain. You can see here that now the last 1 week, last 24 hours, last 1 hour changes of the Vechain is positive. The all changes, my friends, the whole changes of the Vechain is positive. So it's really a great news for all Vechain holders, because after a great falls, the Vechain start jumping, and still, my friends, now the last hour, still the price of Vechain is in explosion mode, my friends. So it's really a good news for all Vechain holders. Another side, my friends, if we talk about the Vechain price, so 0.08 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Vechain. They are going to hit $1 USD in this July, my friends. Easily hit. If these kind of positive changes continue in a Vechain, so $1 USD is not a big target for a Vechain, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.